Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and in today's video I will be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S24. This also would work on the S24 Ultra or the pluses. First, locate the volume up, down, and the power button. Make sure that the phone is powered off. Press and hold both volume up and the power button. Once the phone comes on, remove your finger off of the power button. Continue holding the volume up. Once you see this screen, remove your finger off of the volume up. Wipe data factory reset. Press to confirm the reset button, which is you're gonna have to press the power button again to confirm it. Reboot now, confirm. Once the phone comes back on, it will be back to the factory settings. If you have a Gmail, please make sure you remember before you reset the phone, you would need to at least put the password or the Gmail back. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.